Hello and welcome everyone to my Ko-Fi.com Invest with Declan Ko-Fi page. So I'll just explain to you what Ko-Fi is. It's a donation. It's just a simple way. Buy Declan a cup of coffee. And it's simply a tip jar. You can donate €5 and you can plus it up 5, 10, 15, or it can be a monthly or one time. And I just explain here how it helps as well. I've written out a small bio and content creation. I'll just cover the main points, covering costs for research tools and editing so I can keep producing quality videos, market updates, giving me the freedom to share more timely insights and keep you informed. Community support. Every cup of coffee goes directly into fueling more content and keeping the channel growing. Your support means the world to me and motivates me to keep showing up with helpful, no-nonsense investment content. Even the smallest tip makes a big difference. So the Ko-Fi.com, anyone can set up a Ko-Fi page. It's free to do. And say if someone were to buy me the coffees here, say for €5, there'd be a small bit taken out of it by Ko-Fi.com. That's how a small percentage. And if you allow them take a small percentage out of your earnings, you get additional buttons, widgets, etc. But for now, I'm just using it simply as a tip jar. You can sell products on it. There is a shop page. You can do vlog posts, you can sell videos, etc. And I may do that in time. But for now, I just said I'd highlight it, what it's about. And if you enjoy my content on YouTube, it's the first link here in the description, and it's on the about page. It's the first link, and it'll be the first link in every video, the most recent videos anyway. And I'd appreciate the help. It's just it's a nice little concept. Anyone can set it up. If you have a website, you can set up your own Ko-Fi page. It's pretty easy to do. I made this cover in Canva, uploaded it, just a picture of me. I wrote the bio, and then the video of myself and Darren. And that's my page so far, and then that's the link to my YouTube channel. So it's a simple concept. You can just tip me and buy me a coffee. I'd appreciate it on Ko-Fi.com. That's what it is, and thanks for watching. And yeah, it's very easy. Set up your own page of Ko-Fi.com if you're interested as well.